Welcome to Annie and Axe after school. Okay, kids, today what we're going to learn about are fruits and vegetables and pizza. So, what Annie's challenge today is, we're going to see if she can name 10 fruits or vegetables and the colors of those fruits and vegetables, cut them, and give them to Axel.
Inside of it.
Oh, you want the inside of it too? You want to name the color of the inside too? Okay. And as a reward, we're going to give an ice pop.
Yeah.
An ice pop, right? Oh my gosh, Axe is really excited about the ice pop. All right. So let's start it off. We're gonna do an easy one here. We're gonna start off with this fruit. What is this fruit and what's the color?
Green and watermelon.
Okay, very good. Now go ahead and cut it and give to Axel.
Okay.
Very good. All right. Now we
That's
got.
the easy one.
What do we got? Okay, here we go. What is this fruit? And what's the color?
Yellow and pineapple.
Very good. That is 2 correct. Oh my gosh. It's okay. It's okay. Mommy just threw us the pineapple. Now give it to Axel. Very good. All right. What do we got? All right. What is this vegetable? I think Axel already got the color.
And bell pepper.
Bell pepper, good job.
Very good. Bell pepper. Oh my God, there it goes. All right, very good. Now give it to Axe. Axe, what color is that? No, that's pretty good.
Green.
Green. All right, here we go. Which one am I gonna get? All right, here we go. What fruit is this? It's very hard. Let's see if Annie can get it. She's already got 3 in a row.
Lemon.
No, look
That's
closer.
very close.
How about you cut it in half first?
Okay, how about you cut it in half?
Kiwi.
Oh, very good.
Wow, good job, Annie.
And what color is it?
Green.
Green on the inside. Very good.
No.
I'll give you 3. I'll give you 4 on that one. That was pretty good. Very good.
That was a hard one.
That was really hard. Okay, here we go. Which one's? All right, what's the next one? This will be number. Well, I think we had
No,
3.
we have 4.
We had 4. So what's number after that?
5.
This will be number 5. What is this? I guess it's not really a fruit or a vegetable. What food item is this?
Egg.
Very good. What color is the egg?
White.
It's white. Okay, go ahead and cut it. Very good.
And yellow.
Yellow in the inside. That's a yellow yolk. Here we go. Number. After 5.
10.
No, you're silly. Number
You're silly.
6. All right, here we go. Number 6. Okay. What vegetable is this?
Tomato.
Oh, very good. Now go ahead and cut it and give it to Axe. That's number 6.
Oh, that's a hard one.
Oh, that's a hard one. There you go. Very good. Give it to Axe. Axe loves them. All right. After 6 comes.
9.
Well, I mean, that's also a number that comes after 6. But what's after 6? Directly after 6? Number 7. All right, here we go. Number 7. What vegetable is this?
Carrot.
Very good. That was number 7. Oh my gosh, where'd that go? That's okay. Give the half to Axel. It's under the table. All right, awesome. Okay, we're getting the second cutting board here.
Back to pink.
Back to pink. Here we go. Okay, now we're on to number 8. Number 8. What do we have? Okay, what fruit is this? Okay, what? It's a red apple. Go ahead and cut it and give it to Axe.
Use those muscles. Not your teeth.
Not your teeth. Come on. There we go. Very good. Now give it to Axe. Very good. Annie, you're so close to being done. You're so close to getting all 10 right. Okay, this is for number 9. What vegetable is this? And give me the color. Okay, you got purple.
Eggplant.
Very good. High five.
Good job, Annie.
Go ahead and cut it. Dada, what's going on, Axe? And it's yellow on the inside. Very good. All right, for number 10. Whoa! For number 10, what are we going to do? What vegetable is this?
Corn, and it's yellow.
Very good. Awesome. And now give it to Axe. Very good. High five. Guess what you just won? You did 10 colors, vegetables, and fruits. What do you get as a prize?
Daddy, there's some more.
Oh, I know. There's tons more. But what do you get as a prize for getting all 10 correct?
Ice pie.
Ice Pops. What color Ice Pop do you want? Purple. Okay, Axe, I know your favorite color is...
Green.
So you're gonna get green for being a great helper. All right, what do you say to your friends out there?
Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.